Cuties! Welcome to Priya's Kids Diary. Hi Cuties! Now I'm drawing a cute doll. I'm drawing its hair. Let's draw the doll's body. Next, the colorful frog. Next, we draw the hands. Hey, it's a coloring time. Black. Red. Next, we color the face and the hand with sandal color. Now I am coloring the frog yellow. Sky blue.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran out.
Green.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck
And then we color the yellow.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Hey, we draw the beautiful doll. It's so pretty. We will see you on next video.